Hi, hello, how are you? Dear friends, once again I am welcoming to this classes. This is Dr. Arthabandhu Jana, Senior Assistant Professor, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirmodi University, Vyasabihar, Balasore, Odisha. So, and today's discussion will be on what is the basic difference between the Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association. So, for your kind information, I have already posted two separate videos, and one for Memorandum of Association and another for the Articles of Association. So, you see the full video of Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association. So, there is the detailed discussion what is the meaning of Memorandum of Association as well as what is the meaning of Articles of Association. Similarly, what are the important contents or the clauses of Memorandum of Association as well as what are the important contents of Articles of Association. So and today's discussion will be very useful and fruitful. So far as exemption point of view of 12th standard UG and the PG students, so far as commerce and management discipline is concerned. So without delay or without wasting our valuable time, we will start our academic journey. So today's discussion is what is the basic difference between the Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. So I have written the 11 basis of comparison. By taking into the 11 basis of comparison, easily we can compare in between the Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. So first one basis of comparison, it's the meaning. What is the meaning of Memorandum of Association? So Memorandum of Association, it is a document. So Memorandum of Association, it's a vital document which contains, Memorandum of Association contains what? The fundamental rules regarding the constitutions, and the sphere of activities of a company. So CO stands for company. Okay. So what are the nature of the activities? So detail one can know from a company through the Articles of Memorandum of Association will provide the information with regard to the nature of activities of a company. Okay, come to dear friends, come to the right hand side. What is the meaning of Articles of Association? So Articles of Association contains the rules and regulations framed all matters relating to the internal management of a company. So how the day-to-day activities of a company will be managed or will be regulated. So this can be regulated, managed through the Articles of Association. Okay, once again, dear friends, if in exams short question will come, MOA stands for Memorandum of Association. Similarly, AOA, it stands for Articles of Association. Okay, next we will jump over to the second basis of comparison. It's what is the main objects of Memorandum of Association. So Memorandum of Association enables the external parties. So through the Memorandum of Association, we will maintain the good relation with the rest of the world, I mean with the general public or the outsider. And what is the objectives of main object of Articles of Association? So Articles of Association controls and regulates the internal affairs of a company. So what would be the day-to-day activities of a company? So that can be controlled and that can be regulated. So Memorandum of Association will provide the such platform to a company. Next one is what is the need of Memorandum of Association? Memorandum of Association is essential to the all companies, whether it means the private company or the public company or the unlimited company or company limited by guarantee. So all types of company will require what is this? The Memorandum of Association. Whereas in the Articles of Association, so except the public company will adopt what is this? Table F as its articles instead, and Articles of Association is must for the all types of companies except the public company. So at the time or for the purpose of registration or it's the incorporation of a company. Next one, the basis of comparison, it's the filing with the registration register of the companies. Yes, so filing with the register of the company. So Memorandum of Association is compulsory irrespective of companies, whether it may be the private company or the public company, company limited by share, or the the unlimited company. So memorandum of association is compulsory all types of companies, whereas so articles of association, so far as articles of association, okay, all types of companies will need all types of company must require what is the articles of association except the public company. So public company does not require the articles of association to the register of the companies. So a public company will file what is this, the table F as its article. So next one, the basis of comparison is that is the observance of a provision. Yes, observance of a provision. So memorandum of association cannot override, okay, or cannot, okay, supersede the provision of the Companies Act. Now the new Companies Act, that is the 2013. Yes, so it's a very vital. Once again I am repeating, memorandum of association cannot override the provision of the Companies Act 2013. If a company will violate or will make override the provision of the Companies Act, so it will be what is this, the void, and it will be inoperative. In articles of association cannot violate both the Memorandum of Association as well as Indian Companies Act 2013. Yes, so articles of association cannot violate both the Memorandum of Association as well as Indian Companies Act 2013. Yes, next one, a basis of comparison is that is the alteration. Yes, whether the Memorandum of Association as well as the articles of association can be altered or can be changed. Yes, if the special circumstances will arise there, then the company is supposed to change both the Memorandum of Association as well as the articles of association. So far as the alteration point of view, the alteration of Memorandum of Association involves the many formalities. So many formalities. So it is not easy. A company has to follow some formalities. What is this? Company has to pass what is the special regulations, and also a company will get the approval or will get the permission from the CL, okay, Company Law Board, CLB, it stands for Company Law Board, as well as GOI, Government of India, as well as in some circumstances a company will need the permission from the court. Okay, so after that, then the Memorandum of Association can be changed. Okay, so far as the articles of association is concerned, the articles of alteration of articles of association is not difficult, but a company has to make or pass the special regulations. Okay, after passing the special regulation, then the Memorandum of Association can be, articles of association can be changed. Okay, next one, the basis of comparison, it's the relationship. Yes, Memorandum of Association maintains the relationship between B/W, it stands for between the company and the general public. Yes, dear friends, once again I am repeating, the Memorandum of Association maintains the relationship between the company and the public. Okay, similarly the articles of association maintains the relationship between B/W, it's the between the company and the members among members themselves. Okay, so the articles of association is meant for the internal purposes or internal affairs, and the Memorandum of Association it's related to the, that is the outside or external purposes. Yes, next one, the basis of comparison, it's the legal status. Memorandum of Association is having with the more or the many legal sanction or the formalities. I mean, okay, so that's why Memorandum of Association it's a charter or it's a constitution to a company. Okay, so which we have already discussed in the point alteration, that is the so many formalities a company has to follow to change its Memorandum of Association, that is the special regulation is must, and permission from the Company Law Board as well as from the GOI, Government of India, as well as from the court. So that's why, so Memorandum of Association is having with the more legal or the many legal sanctions or the formalities. Okay, then articles of association is having with the less legal sanctions or the formalities. Yes, what if something will be changed in articles of association, just a company will pass the special regulations, then the articles of association can be changed. Okay, dear friends, come to the next one, that is the mutual relationship. By taking into the consideration mutual relationship, memorandum of association does not depend upon the articles of associations. Okay, so memorandum of association will not follow or will not depend upon the articles of association, whereas articles of association depends upon the memorandum of association. Okay, dear friends, then next one, what is the importance of memorandum of association and what is the importance of articles of association? Okay, memorandum of association is an important document which can be compared with the constitutions of a country, okay, or of a company. Just like constitution is constitution is for the people, of the people, by the people, and articles of association is a subsidiary document to memorandum of association, and articles of association will be or is comparable with the laws and regulations of a country. Yes, so last but not the least, the basis of comparison, it's the limitation. What is the limitations of memorandum of association and what is the limitations of articles of association? Okay, a company cannot do anything beyond the scope of the memorandum of association. Okay, dear friends, once again I am repeating, a company cannot do anything beyond the scope of the memorandum of association. But articles of association, in the limitations, so far as limitations is concerned, anything done by a company beyond the scope of articles, beyond the scope of the articles will not be void, and so it can be ratified by passing the special resolution. So these are all about today's discussion. So dear friends, I think you have enjoyed and you have learned a lot with regard to the difference between the memorandum and articles of association. So once again thanks a lot. Once again thanks to all of you. If you like this discussion, kindly you forward it, kindly you like it, kindly you subscribe it. Once again thanks a lot to all of you.